Hello Internet. I spent last Saturday morning and last Sunday morning out in the woods doing a little bit of nature photography, just enjoying the peace and quiet and therapy session. I had a therapy session last weekend with the cameras. I took the cameras. The only two cameras and lenses I took with me is this OM1 Mark II with this big white lens, the 150 to 400, and my XT5 with the 16 to 55 f2.8, the Mark II one. And I mean, I'm serious. I mean, if all I ever had was these two cameras and these two lenses, that's all I ever really need. I got all these other cameras and stuff, and what I grab, these other two, I grab the most. I mean, but I got a new addition to the arsenal. Something I wish I would have bought years ago. I can't believe how useful this little tool is. It's a DJI Mini 5 Pro drone. The pictures I'm going to put in this video, a few of them I've taken with this. This thing has a pretty excellent camera in it. And what's really cool is when I find a hole in the canopy, when I'm up in the National Forest, up in the mountains, I can lift this thing straight up through the hole in the canopy and kind of see where I'm at. You know, it's a whole different perspective, and I mean a whole new level of landscape photography. And it's pretty cool to see where I'm at, because I mean all I see is trees and canopy. But this thing, I found a couple holes, and I also went down to the lake and took a picture of the lake, and there's pretty cool pictures. And yeah, XT5 with this lens, a 16 to 55, OM1 Mark II, 150 to 400, DJI. I don't know what camera's on this, but it's pretty darn good for a little bitty camera. Anyways, I keep this short. I'm going to put a bunch of pictures in I took last weekend and enjoy it, and talk to you later.